Welcome to Kids' Kingdom of Fun Learning.
It's story time.
The heroes and the heroes.
Welcome to Habit Heroes, where every good habit leads to an adventure. Mia and Max are walking through a beautiful meadow, but it's littered with toys, books, and snack wrappers.
Max, what happened here? This place is so messy.
A sheep named Clutter waddles over, dragging a tangled kite behind her.
It's my fault. I never put anything away. Now everything is a mess and I can't find my kite string.
A gust of wind scatters more items around the meadow.
Don't worry, Clutter. We can help you clean up and teach you how to stay organized.
Mia and Max pull out a scroll with the title, The Tidy Up Rules.
Rule 1. Put things back where they belong.
Rule 2. Sort things into groups. And Rule 3. Make cleaning a fun game.
Clutter nods eagerly.
Let's do it. I want the meadow to look nice again.
They start by gathering items and sorting them into piles: toys, books, and trash.
Sorting helps you see what you have and makes it easier to organize.
Clutter hesitates, holding a ball and a book in her hooves.
Where does this go?
The ball goes in the toy pile, and the book goes with the others. You're getting the hang of it.
As they sort, a magical broom sweeps the trash away, and the meadow starts to look better. Mia and Max create a game where they race to put items back in their proper places. A timer appears in the corner of the screen.
Let's see how fast we can tidy up. Ready, set, go.
Clutter, Mia, and Max run around, placing books on a shelf-shaped bush, toys in a toy chest, and folding blankets neatly.
This is actually fun.
The timer buzzes, and they finish just in time. Mia pulls out a music player, and upbeat music starts playing.
Cleaning doesn't have to be boring. Let's dance while we tidy up.
Max spins around with a broom, and Clutter wiggles her tail while folding scarves.
Look, Clutter. The meadow is almost sparkling.
As they dance and clean, the meadow becomes neat and beautiful again. The magical meadow transforms into a bright and cheerful place with blooming flowers and a clear blue sky.
I didn't think cleaning up could be so easy and fun.
A glowing badge shaped like a broomstick appears in the air with the words, "Good habit, tidying up."
You've learned an important habit, Clutter. A tidy space makes everything better.
And now you won't lose your things anymore.
The animals of the meadow gather to celebrate. They play with their toys, read their books, and enjoy the tidy surroundings.
Thank you, Habit Heroes. From now on, I'll always tidy up.
Mia and Max wave goodbye as the meadow animals cheer. Remember, heroes, tidying up makes every space brighter and more fun to enjoy. See you in the next adventure.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.